Naag Panchami. Naag Panchami falls on the Panchmi Tithi of Shukla Paksh in the Shravan month. This day is devoted to the snake god. The snake god is offered special worship. A resolution is taken of saving the snakes. This is the 5th day of Shravan Shukla Paksh, and Naag Panchami is celebrated with great devotion. Snakes are considered as the incarnation of power and sun. India is a land of religious faiths and beliefs. Now, the scriptures in particularly, Naag Panchami, possess a great importance. Many people admire the snakes or Naag as their Kul Devata. Snake is also called out to be the ornament of Lord Shiva. The ancient scriptures of India mention that the Sheshnag of Lord Vishnu bears the weight of the earth on his head. During this festival, devotees worship the snakes. Worshipping snakes is worshipping nature. Nature's creatures, plants, movable and immovable, are considered as God. Pristine sages have always added religious sentiments to all the prayers and festivals. Such festival increases the faith of a person and links the human to the nature. Snakes have been given much importance, and during Naag Panchami, this celebration in some parts of the country, it's also celebrated after the Purnima in the month of Ashad. It is also called as Manasa Devi Ashtang Puja. The snake goddess Manasa Devi and Ashtana are worshipped on this day. Devotees also celebrate this day to commemorate Bhagwan Shri Krishna's victory over Kaliya snake, Kaliya Naag. Naag Daman is the form of that Krishna. It is believed that unmarried women who keep the fast on Naag Panchami Vrat and Puja and who feed the snakes will get appropriate partners, and they also get protection from snake bites. Naag Panchami is considered auspicious to perform the Naag Puja in Shiv temple, and it aids in getting rid or controlling the Kal Sarp Dosh. Is called the Kal Sarp Dosh Nivaran Puja. Snakes are worshipped during the period. As per the scriptures, species of the snake was born in this day, and therefore, as per the Srimad Bhagavat, Janmejay could not save his father, Maharaj Parikshit, from the bite of Takshak Nag, and through his oblation forced Takshak to repent in front of him. It is said that the one who worships God snake on Panchmi of Shravan month will get rid of any Naag dosh. Sheshnag on which Lord Sri Hari Vishnu rests. The rituals are celebrated and devotees visit the temple and snake pits to worship the Nags. By praying to the snake god, one is free from the fear of snakes and serpents, and it also protects us from the evils. The person who worships the serpents on Naag Panchami day should not dig the ground for farming or any other reason. Ant hills and snake pits are worshipped by offering milk. Devotees also offer pujas on this day.